Hi all, welcome back to my channel. So in this particular video, what we are going to see, we are going to create a content fragment from a content model, and we will like export that data using content service. So let's see like how to perform that. So if I go to my Adobe Experience Manager tools section, and under the tools, if I move to the assets, inside the assets we have one thing, content fragment models. So first of all, I'm creating one model here. So I will say create model name, will I do Kuldeep practice model. Okay, create, open. Now in order to add that, what I'm doing, I'm adding one single line text here. So inside this field label, I'm saying FIR first name. Okay, so this is the first name, and maximum length is 255, and I'm making this field as required. And inside the property name, I'm saying F name. Okay, now I will add one more attribute here, single line element, which is, I will say, so inside this I will say last name, property name will be L name, placeholder I'm not passing anything, default value I'm not passing anything, the required, and at last I'm adding one number. Okay, inside the number I will say mobile number. Okay, and this is MNUMBER, mobile number, and type is, I will say, integer, default value I will not say anything, and it is also required. So once I save that, so our model has been created. Now we are going to do what? We are going to create our own asset. So let me quickly go to the assets under the files, and inside that I will go back to V retail, this one, and under the English I have Kuldeep assets. So here I will create one content fragment by using Kuldeep practice model. Click next. I will type the Kuldeep practice content fragment new. Okay, now I will add one tag here. So for the tags I will say it is under the V retail, it is under uh, activity, and it is under, I will say, other. Okay, so let me select that, select, create. Once I hit the create, it is created. I will open that. So as you know, like I didn't any added anything inside that, so by default all the things are a blank, and it is showing like we need to fill this because these are mandatory. So I'm passing the values. Kuldeep, last name I'm passing SINGH, mobile number I'm passing 9999999. So if the count is 10 or not, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Okay, so these are 10. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 10. So this is how we can create our content fragment. Now our content fragment is created. Now what we are going to do, we are just taking this content fragment as an input on our website page. So let me quickly move to which page. I will say this time I will pick about us. So added that. Inside that quickly go to the edit mode. So we have these properties here. So I'm just removing other content components so that like it will become quite easier to us in order to understand the things. So I'm removing this one also. I'm removing this one also and this one also. Now I have breadcrumb. So inside the breadcrumb I have layout container. So if I click inside new component, I'm selecting a content fragment, and from the this layout, that is toggle side panel, I'm going to select one content fragment which is mine. I'm dragging and dropping that so you can see like default data has been on this particular content fragment. So let me add one more here so that you can get much explanation of that. So I'm configuring this one. So inside that, what I'm doing, I'm adding add first name, add last name, add mobile number. Yes. So this is one. Now if I hit enter, so this is like you have two things visible. If I hit the preview button, you can see both are there. Now if I want to export this data, I need to do what? Just simply remove the HTML, and instead of that I will write model.json. Once I hit that, you will see JSON of the following like particular thing is already is generated, right? So if I talk to you particularly about that particular component, then you can see it is from here, like items is content fragment, model, and inside that all the details are there. So this is how like we can generate that thing. Okay, you have now idea like how to do that. So that's all for this particular video. We will meet in the next video. If you have any doubts or queries, you can post in the comment section. Until then, bye bye.